It's an Alabama weather update. This is for Friday morning, August 22nd. This is James Spann. By the way, thank you for watching the all-new Alabama Weather Network. And as I like to do, let's begin with the amazing Skycam views across Alabama. We'll start with our Skycam up in Huntsville, up on Montesano Mountain. Got a field of fair weather cumulus clouds there. Work our way down to the south. This is the Skycam at Montgomery, Alabama Public Television Tower, located right by Patterson Field. That's looking north. Sky there mostly fair. And the Gulf. How about that view from Dauphin Island? By the way, we have multiple new Skycams coming online soon over in Baldwin County. This is the Dauphin Island, one of our two Dauphin Island Skycams. And the Gulf just remains flat as a pancake this morning. It's quiet this morning. Had a few pop-up storms yesterday. Some neighborhoods getting heavy amounts of rain. Many neighborhoods getting nothing. We call it the afternoon thunderstorm lottery. And as we typically see, those faded quickly after sunset last night. We have no rain on radar this morning. Same thing today, tomorrow, and Sunday. In that window between noon and midnight, we'll see a few random scattered showers and storms about, but not raining everywhere. Temperatures got a few upper 60s to start the day up in northwest Alabama, mostly low 70s. We're expecting highs in the upper 80s and low 90s today. And here's what we're watching. Again, scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms today, tomorrow, and on Sunday. But then next week, a refreshing continental air mass drops in from the north. And that's going to set the stage for two things next week. Humidity values down, noticeably cooler nights. In fact, it looks like many locations across the northern part of the state might see 50s by the middle of next week. Especially by Thursday morning, that will be a very nice preview of fall. We'll check modeling, and again, after 12 noon today, we'll see these scattered showers and storms about. Week 1, high school football. Continuing tonight. We had many games last night, most of them tonight. And this is 8 o'clock, so understand there will be storms around. They will be scattered, and we stress the radar will not look exactly like this, but something like this. The better chance of scattered showers and storms for the high school football games tonight south of Interstate 20. And again, just always take the rain gear for any high school football game in August. There's always that chance of an afternoon or evening storm. And, of course, those fade very quickly. Tomorrow morning, we start the day with no rain. Tomorrow afternoon, really the modeling suggesting the higher coverage of showers and storms could be across the southeast counties of the state, but there could be a few storms anywhere, but they'll be pretty scattered. And the same thing on Sunday. And then we get into that drier air mass in here by Monday of next week. In fact, it looks like much of next week will likely be rain-free. This is rain for the next 7 days, about 1/2 to 1 inch for the eastern side of the state, and really not that much for the western counties. Tropical weather. Got 3 areas of interest. Aaron moving out to sea. A couple of tropical waves in the Atlantic. Aaron this morning with winds of 90 miles per hour. Becoming post-tropical this weekend. Moving away. So these are the other 2 waves. The lead wave near the Leeward Islands. A 70% chance of that developing. That's turning north. No threat to land. The wave in the eastern Atlantic with a 60% chance of that developing. And that's a very low-latitude system, and it looks like it will be in an unfavorable area over the weekend, but maybe a better possibility of development early next week, but this most likely stays very low latitude. And if it redevelops, this would likely go into Central America. We see no tropical storms, no hurricanes for the Gulf, at least through the 1st of September. So let's look at a forecast, first off, for the northern half of the state. And again, you can see we've got that chance of random scattered showers and thunderstorms during the noon to midnight window for tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. Highs upper 80s to near 90. But next week, what a change. Shower-free Monday through Thursday. Cooler nights. Look at Wednesday, the high only at 82. I've got 60 early Thursday morning, but keep in mind many of the cooler spots will likely wind up in the 50s. And for the southern half of the state, pretty much the same idea. A few scattered storms around through Sunday, then dry air for much of next week. And even South Alabama will likely see lows in the upper 60s through much of next week as the dry air settles in. That's the Alabama weather update this morning, and thank you for watching the Alabama Weather Network.